It's 1 a.m. Sunday. I was writing all day. Kind of feel like my hair got dull and faded. So I'm going to try and dye it. I'm going to use this shade. It's from Rossmann, Passion Purple. I tried to dye with it before and I mixed a lot of hair conditioner. It didn't dye it at all. The thing with this dye is that it looks much darker in the mixing bowl than it actually is. I'm kind of scared because I don't know what will happen. I'm going to do half and half, dye it, and then we'll see after that. I put 25 grams of the shade and 25 grams of hair conditioner, and now I'm mixing them together with this. It's so dark. The thing with this dye is that it looks dark in the bowl, but then it becomes lighter on the hair itself. Okay, I didn't have this dark color since I had my longer hair. I think I covered it all. I also covered things that shouldn't be covered, like this, and my ears and my hands. Not using gloves was so stupid. Don't be me, use gloves. I have some dye left. I'm going to mix it with some more conditioner and use it as a toner in the shower. This does not look like a toner, it looks much darker, but this is what it is. The light here is awful, but this is like the end result. Okay, this is how it looks. I officially can say that this pigment is shit. So there's a good reason why it's so cheap, because it does not do anything. I'm not even sure it changes since the last time, and it looked so dark. I honestly don't know. This is stupid. And I gave it so many chances already. This works like shit. Next time, I'm going to use a different one. And now, I'm going to blow dry it. Okay, so this is the final result. This pigment is pinkish. I don't like pink on my purple. I like cold shade. This is warm shade. This is awful. I don't like it. I'm going to work on it with silver shampoo and it will be better. Because this one I don't like. I really like it cold and silvery, lilac-y. It's tacky. I prefer cold shades on myself than this. Okay, I'm going to try this without the hair conditioner. I'm kind of scared, but I'm just going to bring gloves this time. Put the gloves. I'm going to do it like really simple. I have this. I'm not going to put it in a bowl or something, just straight on my head. Oh. Shit. Don't know what I thought. Jesus, I'm so stupid. Okay, that was really stupid. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm going to be more careful now. I think I ruined my jeans. Jesus. I think it's going to be so purple. I have to cut my hair. So this is how it looks before I washed it and after in different lights. So I just left the shower, put it on my hair, waited for some 20 minutes, and then it became more ashy, more silvery, less pink. Can you see that? More purple, lilac, cold shade over the other pink. And of course without my makeup. I let my face breathe after shower, and after I will of course put some makeup on because I have some shit on my face. You can see it in this so bright lighting. It's like super sunny outside, probably cold as fuck, but sunny and the sky is bright. So I'm taking this in a natural lighting. I'm really happy with this. It's Dr. Fisher. I think it's Israeli. I'm going to look that up. I brought it from Israel last visit. It's not good for your hair. It makes it dry, but I don't use it so frequently, so it's okay. I just use it when I want to really brighten my shade or make it cooler. I think I'm happy with this shade. That's better than the pink, that's for sure. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please tell me what you thought about it in the comment below. And tell me what should I do with my hair, because I really need to go to the hairdresser. I need to schedule an appointment ASAP, but I'm not sure what I should do. Should I bleach my roots and then do my whole hair gray, silver, purple, or should I just cut it and leave it black with the edges only bleached? I don't know. Give me ideas, give me references. I don't know what to do. I'm in the phase of putting this on and this is not working. So please help me look better. Tell me if you want to see more of these, and if you did like it, give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like that, hit the subscribe button, and if you want to get notifications about my videos, hit the bell next to the subscribe button. Thank you for joining me again, and I'll see you in the next video.